This is one out of many tutorials that is to be posted to the backup channel for computer science videos. In this tutorial, the question is, how do I delete a created folder on Gmail using a Mac computer? Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Gmail, and a folder that may have been created. We can now start the tutorial. So now let's go around to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to the top right corner for the Gmail shortcut, click on this, make sure that you are signed into the account. Now what we'll do is quickly compose an email to myself. Subject will be trial, Dear CSV. This is a quick email. Kind regards. CSV, click on send to send that to myself. Let's now go within labels and then create a brand new label. Let's just call this trial. Nest the label under archive1, click on create, go to that email, move that email to trial, and now we know that that email sits within the trial folder under archive1. Let's go back to inbox. I now want to delete that trial folder, click on the three dots and then remove the label. Remove the label archive1 trial from conversation and delete the label. That is correct. Reload the page. And so after the deletion of that folder, the email itself has now returned to its original position. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.